Yo, me mo biara akwaba edeba chere wadwene edwumadie so. Me din ne Rev Steve Smith watch it. The bebre tie for minute the rabbi. Sane de bia ye no ye de asamo ne beto na watwe. Ye wi a na wadwene chere ne asa kan e de ama ne next week. Last week ne ye de asamo beto ho a abrantia pa na one ne yere ete. Na oba ne fa ye funu na oba ma no etete ne mowremu epe ne hu sika nyina se oba ne mfa nkwa akwantium no nkonkowo. Oba ne ba fie bie mu no. Bema ne ni hia mu de na ohunu so oba na nanyam doctors wo ko hwehwe mu no na akora no enye bema ne de a obisa oba no ma oba ne ka no kre na ne ebisa se eye wo a anka wo betimi ni oba na sa atena bie mu ana se ntimi ni oba na entena bie mu sei ana amanfo eka edefa asem no ho zila ma me se wa oba zila o say I think it's not advisable to marry the person. Me wafa ba kon ka therapy or say the man has right to divorce her for giving her in opposition because of the man in Germany comes out to claim the baby. Berima Benjamin or say God bless you. Obi say Ousu or say was say Debbie absolutely no. She cheats or you are impotent. I said, "Yeah, my and so I can't, no. I know your Facebook comment, kakra, a buyer. Young Kwani and Kwankwa, your screenshot and so about this particular way. David Ousu TV3, I say, Apu, George and so France, I say, for the way. This week, the commenter, very, very short. Joel, UK was Mobile Gloria, Techima was Rachel, and also say Catherine was wow. I'll comment later. You Christine Anthony or say yeah, because you always forget that men and women of the same class, it takes only the grace to find a good person or a good partner. That is only if you are good. And to your question, I will not marry her because I think she doesn't love me. Dear Christine, and so at the bar, no. Yanya fast na yan konko her say, yenya voice audio kakra. Yentie ya voice audio no, and so.
Penayira, I won't come on to Nom baby. So penny so dear. Uncle Jana quite, Titia. It's a banner kind of quarry. Intino, so Penesalia, and so Penayere, they can of quarantino to Penesalia on fire. On Penesa so dear. Uncle Jana Benoine, on the Chumasubia.
I have some more. Comment in all kind of names to do a more dear ba. Long near some net here. One kind of aquasum. Omi and so from Davis Boatin. Was say what the lady did is one of the reasons you can divorce your wife according to the Bible. And at the same time, the Bible says you still take your wife back if you love her. Sleeping with somebody and getting pregnant is two different things. I would divorce the lady because I can't. And my heart won't allow me to stay or sleep on the same bed with her. The best solution is divorce her and give her any financial help that I can. My drama was say if I was the man, I would divorce her. The will so at the abasis no. That's it. As I'm saying, I am a more thing, but most of the time, no, I am not a individual, no, a decision obey. Ye we nipa bi wo ho a den se obedi ne nsa beka ne dofo a obetimi kura sa ben sa nipa kro ni biem e ba ne sa nipa no the best thing is nipa ne ye ne se woni obipa kro no montem betete but the so hwe na akoma ni mu odu na wo di bible na asem so na wo da so do yere ne dia obetimi but omo a sebio woni nipa nya akasa anytime bia bibi kura besi na akwatwe aba ne de sa nipa ne ya advice so situation say no e better say obepe be ma na aye akorane ye ne dia no na woni oba no so kasa na aware no ejai we eye kire wadwene dwumadie twan last week so de o contribution ani ade a de ba na madwumadie no eye kama na me shira pa no nya okese bye bye.